The Marabu StarLam 1600R Liquid Laminator allows you to apply an even, consistent coat of liquid laminate on a variety of media up to 64 inches wide. With features that include a rotating metering rod, auto take-up reel, integrated double filtration system, and an advanced drying system, the StarLam makes liquid laminating easier than ever. Here are step-by-step instructions for operating your StarLam. This video is part 1 of 2 and covers startup and running the machine. First, turn on the power switch located on the back of the machine, then press the start button on the front right panel. Right above that, turn the heater switch on, then using the handle on the back, lift up the heater box. With the metering rod removed and the screen in place, pour 1 gallon of liquid laminate into the Teflon trough. Now, on the left side panel, turn on the pump to the reservoir and set the feed liquid knob to 100. Open the side panel and you will now be able to see the liquid being pumped from the trough to the reservoir. Next, fill the wash trough with about 4 gallons of water. Unlock the locking collar to remove the feed roller from the right side. Then swing it out and remove the clutch by rotating the locking collar. Now load your printed material onto the feed roll. The collars are adjustable to the width of your media to help center. Now slide the adjustable clutch back on and tighten it with the Allen wrench included. Swing the feed roller back into its cradle using the flat sides as your guide, and turn to lock it in place. Now on the back side, swing out the take-up reel and slide on an empty core. Next, feed the media over the idle roll bars and under the heater. Then from the back, pull the media down through the fans. Make sure to keep your material taut to ensure it's centered on the receiving core. And finish by taping the media to the take-up reel. Use the forward button to wind the material onto the take-up core. Please note, you will need approximately 5 feet of a lead to attach your material to the receiving core. Now, place the metering rod into its cradle, locking it into place with the butterfly screws. Then, turn down the fluid nozzle and open the valve. The laminate will flood the front of the metering rod. When it reaches the end of the media and starts dropping into the Teflon trough, turn on the fan and motor switches located on the right panel. Now, walk around to the back of the machine and lower the heater box. ClearShield liquid laminates protect your prints against UV exposure, moisture, abrasion, chemical damage, and marring, while maintaining a low cost per square foot. By combining the versatility of the StarLam 1600R and the performance of ClearShield liquid laminates, you can produce high-quality, durable vehicle graphics, fine art prints, banners, and POP signage, making it the perfect tool for every digital printer from large print houses to small sign shops. For more StarLam operating instructions, watch Part 2, Cleaning. To learn more, visit lexjet.com or give us a call today at 800-453-9538.